guys, this is Nurse Cat. Welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna talk about weather here in North Carolina. Sa mga nandito na po sa North Carolina, welcome po sa inyo. Sa mga hindi pa po nakarating dito, darating itong panahon na makakarating din po kayo dito. So weather wise, I've said in my previous vlog na meron tayo ditong spring, summer, and fall. Pero this January, February, it's so weird kasi nagkaroon ng 3 episodes ng winter. Tapos biglang the next week ang init. Kagaya po ngayon ang init nasa 19 to 22 degrees Celsius po. Tapos last week nasa -7. So most often than not, prone magkasakit ang mga tao dito pag ganito na season kasi bigla-bigla mag-change yung weather. Tapos bigla na namang bagsak ang temperature. Apart from that, there are a lot of pollens here, 3 pollens, and I noticed myself, every February, nagkakaroon ako ng allergic rhinitis. So, we have to take care of ourselves. Ample sleep, at saka mag-duty, mag-overtime, okay lang naman yun, basta nakaka-recover ka.
5 days duty ko, Day.
5 days duty. Alright guys, yun lang at ingatan niyo po ang sarili niyo. Always focus on your health and have a good day. This is Nurse Cat. Salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pag-subscribe. Bye.